If you love hummingbirds, this video is for you. Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth. We're going to take a look at this smart bird feeder made specifically for hummingbirds. I'm so excited. Let's unbox it. We'll set it up. We'll go through all the details. So first up, I have to warn you that once you get into the video bird feeder world, it's addictive. I have tried out several of these video bird feeders. This is my very first one for hummingbirds, so I'm like, so excited. Here's what you get in the package. Instructions. This is very securely packaged, very well set up here. Here's the basin and the camera. That looks like great quality. Nice big basin here. Here's the bracket. You'll use this to mount it to the tree. You can either drill holes in your tree or your pole to mount it, or you can use this strap and feed it through and wrap it around. Solar panel. Here's the little bottom reservoir that you will attach to the front over here. That's where your birds will perch and they will feed on the nectar from inside here. And then here's the little houses. Oh my gosh, come on, stop it. Look how cute this is. That's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and get it all set up. Oh, this is the top. And then this will go on here. I've got the camera charging for setup. Go ahead and install the little houses. These are going to go in the lid. So you've got two little hooks. Screw those in here. Again, this is the top. So then we're going to wind our little twine through our house. We'll hang the little houses in here. And then we will drop the little houses down in. The solar panel will mount to this. So your hummingbird nectar will go in here. Just lift this cap right off and you'll fill that up with nectar. That'll be really easy to clean as well because the whole thing just comes right off without having to take the bird feeder off the tree or the pole or wherever you have it mounted to. This mounts depending on the angle that you're looking for, straight out or down. I'm going to finish my setup, get it paired to my phone. We'll get it outside.